Hey guys, Josh Miller with High Ground Solutions, and welcome to our website. Look, I know why you're here. Either you were sent a piece of mail by us, you Googled us, a friend or family member told you about us, or you're a competitor. Regardless, you want more information. Who are we? What do we do? Why do we do it? And is this a scam? So I'm going to take the next 90 seconds and address some of those questions. We buy lots of houses all over the place. We buy big houses, small houses, clean houses, dirty houses. Whether you're going through bankruptcy, foreclosure, behind on your payments, you inherited a home that you can't get rid of, we even track down lost family members so that you can sell your house free and clear. But here's our philosophy. We're going to make you an offer that's going to make us some money because we are investors. However, if the offer doesn't benefit you in some way, then don't take it. Stephen Covey calls this a win-win, and that's the only kind of deals that we do. So if you have a real estate problem, reach out to us. Call, text, fill out the web form, and we'll call you. Regardless, let's talk about your real estate problem and find that solution. Thanks, and God bless.